Hello, everybody. Welcome. Savex team, partners, thank you for joining us today amid these challenging times. From our oldest partners to the ones who recently joined us, it's my privilege to address all of you today on this great event. Let me start by quoting Mother Teresa. None of us, including me, ever do great things, but we all can do small things with great love, and together we can do something wonderful. As rightly said, it is the power of doing the right things the right way in a collective framework that drives all of us together and gets us the results we all want to accomplish. Without Savex, without our partners, and the support from my entire YOTA team, which works every single day, every single minute with a single-minded focus to make this joint working successful for all of us mutually, for our mutual benefit, YOTA would not have achieved the milestones which we have achieved today as a young company. Our partnership with Savex will complete a year this November, and the way we have progressed in such a short period of time is just commendable. While the pandemic has had an impact on our personal and professional lives, as we know, technology and digital transformation across industries has made us adapt to the virtual world seamlessly. And for us, it has kept on increasing the share of digital in everybody's physical life and continuing to grow the businesses of technology companies like all of us. While there are frontline workers who are serving us despite adversities during this entire COVID time, but for us as a technology company, for our partners, for Savex, all of us, these are the digital frontline workers who are taking technology to the length and breadth of the country and serving businesses to operate and innovate. YOTA's mission is to propel digitization of India incorporation with its premium yet affordable hyperscale data center and cloud services, and also disruptive enterprise IT solutions. With this mission, we started as a managed data center and cloud service company. And today, as I look back on what we have achieved and what lies ahead, I'm so grateful for everyone present here. As I said, our partner community for trusting in our vision and offering us their unwavering support. If I speak of the growth and progress in some specific terms, this month itself, we have seen some amazing product launches, partnering with some of the world's leading names in technology. We launched YOTA Virtual Pro workstation with NVIDIA and Citrix, and we also launched long-term data archival solution with Pickle, a very innovative Norwegian company. With access to and partnership with these impressive names in technology world, we get a perfect platform to launch new innovative solutions every single day, which solve real world business challenges for our customers. And that too at a rapid and agile pace. I can promise you today, YOTA will continue to craft such new products and solutions at a rapid pace. Every single month you will hear announcements from us, and I'm sure you would also continue to enjoy selling these exciting products. Once again, on behalf of YOTA, I sincerely thank and acknowledge the entire Savex leadership team, the Savex Cloud Warrior team, and every one of you for making the first edition of the Golden Circle Awards a grand success. And I would again congratulate all the winners in advance. Enjoy the evening and hope to host you all in person next year. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Thank you.